Hi everyone, this is JP Singh. I welcome you all on my channel Medicos Marthi. Hope you all are happy and healthy. My dear friends, today it's our part number 8 for series Super 1000 Questions. This series is targeting upcoming exam NEET PG, which is going to held in March 2022 on 22nd of March. So my dear friends, some rumors are there that the date will change, the month will change. So whatever will happen, it's not our work is to prepare for NEET PG. Whether it will held in March, April, or the date can change, it depends upon time. But now we know that from now we have update that yes, it will held in March 22nd. So just be consistent to your studies, be consistent to your preparation, be positive, believe in yourself, and consistency and believe in yourself, these both things are key to a success. Okay, if anyone to get success, then he must be consistent with his or her work, with his or her job. Okay, you will get promotion if you are working in positive way, you are believing in yourself, and you are giving your 100%, and you are a consistent person. Then you will surely win any race, whether it is NEET PG, INISET, whether any exam. Okay, so it is a just so two steps: consistency and believe in yourself. So these two things will make you win this race of NEET PG. So my dear friends, this series is targeting all 19 subject, and in this series we will cover thousands of questions, and these thousands of questions will give a boost to your preparation, boost to your confidence. And if you are watching this series every day, then it's my promise to you, you will surely crack this exam NEET PG. So my dear friends, best wishes for your preparation. Keep working, be consistent, believe in yourself. Let's start our 2 days Super 1000 question series. My dear friends, this vacutainer is light blue vacutainer. So color coding क्या हो गई इसकी? Light blue. Color coding क्या हो गई? You can see the top of this vacutainer is light blue. So color coding क्या है इसकी? Light blue. Okay, so this is light blue vacutainer. इसमें एडिटिव क्या यूज हो रहा है? यू कैन सी हेयर इट इज सोडियम सिट्रेट. ओके, सो एडिटिव क्या यूज हो रहा है? सोडियम सिट्रेट. अब इसके यूसेज क्या हैं, यूजेस क्या हैं? इट इज यूज्ड ड्यूरिंग कोगुलेशन टेस्ट. ओके, कोगुलेशन टेस्ट सच एज पीटी, पीटीटी एंड टीटी. पीटी क्या है? प्रोथ्रोम्बिन टेस्ट. पीटीटी क्या है? पार्शियल थ्रोम्बोप्लास्टिन टाइम. ओके, टीटी क्या है? थ्रोम्बिन टाइम. ओके, सो इसका यूज क्या हो रहा है? कोगुलेशन टेस्ट के दौरान इसका यूज कर रहे हैं. तीन चीजों में, तीन टेस्ट में इसका यूज हो रहा है. पीटी, पीटीटी एंड टीटी. ओके, एंड एक और पॉइंट है, वन अनदर पॉइंट इज दैट ट्यूब मस्ट बी फिल्ड 100%. ओके, सो ट्यूब कितनी? 100% filled होनी चाहिए. So first vacutainer is complete. As we started that we will discuss three things: color coding, additive and use. So here it's complete about light blue vacutainer. Color coding is light blue, additive is sodium citrate. Use are these are used in, and this vacutainer is used during coagulation test. Okay.